Finn the fox loved to explore the forest. Every day he found something new. One morning, Finn saw a bush full of big, juicy blueberries. They were so high up. Finn jumped and jumped, boing, boing, but the berries were too high. He could not reach them. Finn sat down under the bush. He felt sad. He wanted those berries so much. Then Finn heard a sound. Crunch, crunch, scratch, scratch. It was Dotty the puppy digging in the garden. Dotty dug and dug. She did not give up. Finally, she found a big acorn under the ground. Finn walked to the other side of the garden. There was Bella the bunny, stacking stones. Pat, pat, pat. Bella placed one stone, then another, then another. She was very careful. Bella climbed up the stones. Step by step, she reached the high green leaf. Finn went back to the blueberry bush. He thought and thought. What did Dotty do? What did Bella do? Yes! Finn gathered sticks, big sticks and little sticks. He remembered how Bella stacked her stones. Finn stacked the sticks very carefully, pat, 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 just like Bella did with her stones. Oh no! The ramp wobbled. Finn remembered how Dotty never gave up. He pushed the sticks in tighter. Slowly, carefully, Finn climbed up his ramp, step by step. He did not rush. Finn reached the blueberries. Plop, plop, plop. They fell into his basket. So many berries. Dotty and Bella came to see. "How did you reach the berries?" they asked. Finn smiled. "I watched you, Dotty. I watched you, Bella. That is how I learned." Finn felt proud. He learned that wisdom comes from watching, listening, and never giving up. What do you do when you cannot reach something? Do you watch? Do you ask for help? Storytime Academy. See you next time.